So, welcome students. Today I have a very important topic on tenses.
Yes, sir.
Dear students, today I will teach you about the continuous tense. About the continuous tense. Here, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. Dear students, here in हिंदी पहचान वाक्य के अंत में रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, रहा हूं, हुआ है, हुए हैं आदि करके शब्द आते हैं। तो इस तरह से हम प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस की पहचान करते हैं। इन इंग्लिश वी यूज ing form in the main verb and as helping verb we use is, am, are. Is, am, are as helping verb. So with the first person I we use am, and all the singular number subject we use is, okay, and with plural number subject we use are, okay, is that clear? And in every continuous tense we use ing form in the main verb, ing form in the main verb, okay. Here you can see in affirmative sentence subject plus is, am, are plus verb plus ing plus object or complement. Dear student, there are two types of object, direct object and indirect object, okay. And what is complement? If there is no any object in the sentence and the sentence is completed with the words which is known as intransitive verb, that is complement, okay. Here, for example, she is going to market. She is going to market. Here she is going. वह जा रही है, but here कहाँ जा रही है? ये आपका वो स्थान जो आप यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे, एक में से market. तो market is the complement of this sentence. Okay? Market is complement of this sentence. Okay? Is that clear? And here, affirmative sentence of past continuous tense. Dear students, in past continuous tense, as helping verb we use was or were. With singular number subject we use was, and with plural number subject we use were. Okay. Here, for example, he was sleeping on the bed. He was sleeping on the bed. And with plural number subject, they were going to Lucknow. They were going to Lucknow. So, dear students, this is the example of past continuous tense. हिंदी पहचान वाक्य के अंत में रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे आदि शब्द आते हैं बच्चों, ओके. एंड इन फ्यूचर कंटीन्यूअस टेंस with subject use will or shall and be, and after that ing form in the main verb and at last object of complement. So here the example is she will be playing cricket. She will be playing cricket. वह क्रिकेट खेल रही होगी. Here another example, we shall be going to Kanpur. We shall be going to Kanpur. So dear students, these are the affirmative sentences. These are the affirmative sentences of present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. Dear students, while we are going to change this sentence into negative sentence, so we use here with is, am, are helping verb. With helping verb use is, am, are not, okay. With helping verb is, am, are we use not, and ing form is the main verb and object and complement. For example, she is not going to market. वह बाजार नहीं जा रही है. They are not playing well. वे अच्छे से नहीं खेल रहे हैं. Past continuous tense negative sentence. Dear students, in the past continuous tense negative sentence we use after helping verb not, okay. Just after helping verb we use not. Formula: subject plus was the verb plus not plus verb plus ing plus object or complement. She was not running on the road. वह सड़क पर नहीं दौड़ रही थी. They were not calling us. हमें नहीं बुला रहे थे. Here in future continuous tense negative sentence after helping verb will or shall we use not, and after that we plus verb plus ing plus object of complement, okay. She will be teaching us. will be teaching us, वह हमें चुरा, सॉरी, she will be teaching us, वह हमें परेशान कर रही होगी या वह हमें चिढ़ा रही होगी. We shall be laughing at them, हम उन पर हंस रहे होंगे. So dear students, these are the negative sentence of future continuous tense. Okay? And here in interrogative sentence there are two types of interrogative sentence. Dear students, the sentences start with helping verb and the sentences start with question word. Okay? So here question word plus helping verb. Here now I am talking about present continuous tense interrogative sentence. Question word plus helping verb. Helping verb is am are plus subject plus verb plus ing plus object or complement plus question mark. Okay? For example, why is she beating them? Why is she beating them? वह उन्हें क्यों पीट रही है? Am I teaching you English? क्या मैं तुम्हें इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहा हूँ? क्या मैं तुम्हें इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहा हूँ? So dear students, this example is related to WS types of interrogative sentence, and this example is related to yes or no types of interrogative sentence. For it, dear students, now in the interrogative sentence of past continuous tense, here as formula, question word plus helping verb, was or were plus subject plus verb plus ing plus object or complement, and after the last we use question mark in every interrogative sentence. For example, dear students, why was he jumping on the table? वह टेबल पर क्यों कूद रहा था? वह टेबल पर क्यों कूद रहा था? And another examples that is related, yes or no types of interrogative sentence. Was he singing a sweet song? क्या वह एक मधुर गीत गा रहा था? क्या वह एक मधुर गीत गा रहा था? So like it, dear students, in future continuous tense in interrogative sentence, question word plus HV means helping verb plus here helping verb will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb plus ing plus object or complement, and after that question mark. For example, why will they be going to Mumbai? Why will they be going to Mumbai? वे मुंबई क्यों जा रहे होंगे? Shall we be playing well? Shall we be playing well? क्या हम अच्छे से खेल रहे होंगे? So dear students, what you have seen in this sentence, and that is common in every continuous tense. We use ing form in the main verb. In present continuous tense, I am helping verb is am are. In past continuous